Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of two phones that I picked up from an eBay seller. Let's see. Oh, there's one right there. The other one. So we got a Motorola Z6M with US Cellular. Looks to be in decent shape. There was something wrong with the slider piece or something, I thought. Yeah, this is missing the screws right here. This one's broken out, it looks like. Oh, they're both broken out. But I do have one of these I could use for parts. It does work. Well, that one turns on. We'll take a look at this one. This is a Pantech PN300. It's got the water indicators red. Looks to be in decent shape. It's probably down. Oh, no, there it works. Looks like this one's actually dead. There's that one. This one turns on. I'd say condition is pretty decent, minus this one being broken on the top on the sliding piece. So there's that one, and this one seems to work just fine. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.